Hello students. In the previous class we have done interchange of degrees of comparison and I have given you two examples. Today I will give you one more example with the keywords. So I am going to write one example here. Comparative degree. A wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. A wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. Now I would like to tell you something, that here we are talking about wise enemy and a foolish friend. Here only we are talking about only two persons. One is wise, another one is a foolish. This is comparative degree. Remember this, there is no positive degree when superlative degree, I'm sorry. There is no superlative degree when we are talking about only two persons. We are going to write positive for this. There will be no superlative degree for this because we are talking about only 2%. When we talk more than 2%, then only superlative degree is required. So now we are going to write answer in this way. A foolish friend is not as good as a wise enemy. So here the keywords are, you have to remember the keywords. Comparative degree ER, okay, and then positive degree is not plus as and as, not plus as and as. So when we talk about only two persons, there we don't need superlative degree because superlative degree is not required there. When do we use superlative degree? When we talk more than two persons, when we talk about more than two persons, but here we are talking about only two persons. Next one, I would like to give one more example. She is the most beautiful. She is the most beautiful girl in the class. So the most, we come to know that this is a superlative degree. Now we are going to write answer in comparative. Comparative will be she is more beautiful than any other girl in class. Next we will write positive degree. For positive degree we will write no other. No other girl in class is as beautiful as she. Now for this we are going to write keywords. Superlative, most beautiful. Then comparative, we will write more beautiful, plus we will add any other, and positive, no other, as and as. So I think you remember this, we have already done in the previous class, and there we have not used most. There we have used ESTER with any other, but here we have used most and more. So we are going to remember these keywords. One, when we are talking about only two person, then superlative degree is not required, and here we have used more and most. For this superlative degree, keywords will be, one example is there, beautiful, most beautiful, more beautiful plus any other, no other, as and as. So one more example I would like to give you, that is Kavita is one of the most industrious girl, see I have written S here, in the colony. When we have written one of the most, that means this is again superlative degree. So this one is again superlative degree. Then we will write comparative degree for this, and this will be, for comparative we will write the same name here. Kavita is more industrious than most other girls in the colony. So for this now we are going to write for positive degree very few. We will not write no other, very few. These all are the keywords. You have to remember this. Very few girls in the colony are as industrious as Kavita. So I'm going to write the keywords now. Keywords for superlative, one of the most. For comparative, more or most other. And for positive we will write very few as in as. So now remember this thing, that if one of is mentioned here, for positive degree you will write very few. In the comparative, if it is written after this also most or more, then you are going to write that for positive very few, or superlative one of the most. But here see, one of it is not written. So if we will write she is one of the most beautiful girls, then we will write one of the most here. And here we will again change most. Here we will change very few. I think you have understood how to do this. So if there is one of, then you are going to write very few in positive degree. Otherwise you are going to write no other. So my dear students, see this properly and don't get confused. I'll give you some question for your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.